Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming to you guys for another video. And in today's video, we're going to do another dividend portfolio update. As you all know, I'm trying to grow this account fairly quick, so we are doing as much as we can into the dividend portfolio weekly. Weekly, people. I'm trying to put as much as possible in this actual portfolio. I did make some buys in the portfolio, so I added to it. I think I got around 15 shares in the portfolio now, so I'm most definitely excited to talk to you guys about that and which ones I added, why I'm going with this, what's my logic. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before I show you guys the new addition to the portfolio, would you mind hitting that subscribe button for me and most definitely liking this video? Why should you subscribe? Because we're trying to grow this portfolio fairly quick. When I say fairly quick, like I said, we're doing monthly deposits as much as I possibly can to get this portfolio up fast. So if you want to see what I'm doing, what I'm buying, how the portfolio is growing, maybe some stocks that you haven't considered, hit the subscribe button. Follow along. I welcome you. If you have any questions, of course you can leave those down in the description. But we talking dividends, right? I love dividends. Like, the more you invest in dividends, you have no choice but to love dividends more. Why? It's probably one of the most legit passive income sources on the planet. Like, people say real estate is passive. Trust me, I got real estate. It ain't the passive as passive you think. Like, real estate is work, hard work, and it's a lot. But with stocks, with dividend stocks, dividend investing, it's so simple. The goal is to get as many shares as possible, and the more shares you get, the more money you make. It's great. It's brilliant. But I gotta let you guys know, like, if you're new to the channel, like I said, well, definitely subscribe. But in my previous video, I did it where I used the M1 borrow feature, so I was able to borrow some shares, well, money to buy more shares, which like increased my overall value of my portfolio. And now this time around, I added a couple more shares to that portfolio to really give it its growth and depth. So we're gonna go over them shares that I added. All right guys, so as you can see, the portfolio is looking nice, right? So we're just gonna go over the shares that I noticed in this actual portfolio. Why? Because I really want to lay it out for you so you can really understand the positioning we looking at here. We got QYLD. We got QYLD strictly for the income. I know a lot of people don't like QYLD. I know a lot of people love it. No, but me personally, I'm using it as a tool for pure income. Why? Because if you actually invest in QYLD, you actually can produce a decent amount of dividend income, which actually can help you grow your portfolio significantly quick. And that's why QYLD is in my portfolio. We got VOO, of course, Vanguard, one of their OGs, right? It's purely for that appreciation and growth long term. Why? Because we creating this portfolio for long term growth and dividends, and you want your portfolio to just grow in appreciation also. Never forget the appreciation, people. We got SCHD for the same reason. Now we're going to get into these individual stocks that I hold. We got Protector Gambler, solid company, solid, great dividend company. They also increase their dividend frequently. Why did I get Protector Gambler? When I looked in Protector Gambler, pretty much every product in your house, Protector Gambler got something to do with it, believe it or not. Toothbrushes, mouthwash, soap, cleaning supplies. How much they actually have in this company will really blow your mind. Like, I may even do a separate video on just how much I think this company is amazing, because they just, you give them money. Believe it or not, you give them a lot of money and you don't even know it. But I'm not going. Next, we got MO, right? Then we got Coca-Cola. Why did I add Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola, the pay period, mainly, I'll be truthful here. Why did I add Coca-Cola? Mainly due to the day payout. I had like 1 or 2 stocks that paid out in that 3-month sequence, and I wanted an extra one, but I was looking for a solid company to add. And in the midst of me looking for companies to add in that payout range, Coca-Cola was one of them. And like I said, if it's good enough for Warren Buffett, it may just be good enough for me, right? But main reason is the payout period. The payout period paid out in one of my months where I wasn't receiving that much individual stock income, and I wanted to boost that number up, so I added Coca-Cola. Next, we got Target. Target literally is like the most simplest, nicest store you go to. Like, I don't go to Walmart that often. I don't. But I'm gonna definitely hit up Target. And I know if I hit up Target and it's always packed, so does other people. And I truly believe in the coming years, Target will continue to grow and flourish. So I added them to there because they got a good dividend payout. They increased their dividends, and I think that stock's gonna have some good appreciation in years to come. I had to add it. Then we got Johnson & Johnson. Without a doubt, we all know Johnson & Johnson is just a solid dividend company. Great payout, increase in dividend, solid appreciation. Had to add Johnson & Johnson. Then of course we got SO, we got EPD, and Apple. Had to add Apple. Apple will see appreciation, hands down, no doubt about it. The dividend is not that great, don't get me wrong, but it still does pay out a dividend. But yet again, that's one of those long-term pays like VOO, SCHD for me. It's more the appreciation and the dividend, so you can't get the best of both worlds. It's just the dividend's fairly low, but that appreciation gonna make up for that, so I had to add it. And then we have American Express. I am American Express fanboy. I'm gonna go keep it a stack with you.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I really am. I like American Express. And then why American Express was added to the portfolio outside of me being an actual fanboy, being truthful. The fact that American Express gave their platinum members the Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN as their entertainment, they're trying their best to find ways to make sure they keep their platinum customers around. And you got to give it to them. I don't know what they had to do to get that agreement signed with the licensing, but that's a power play, especially with Netflix on the downfall right now. Platinum members now have Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN, and it platinum members, you're gonna get that free. Why? Because that's part of the perk of your card. So come on, man. Amex, significant growth in the person. Significant. I believe in them. I am a fanboy, truthfully, but yet again, that's a power play to me. I think that's a power play. So, like I said, Amex, because I think it's a power play with the bundle deal for the platinum members, and it does have a good dividend payout. Let's not forget about that. And then you got OKE, good company. I think this company is an energy company, energy sector. I think it does have a significant growth in the future. I think, truthfully, 5-6 years, I can see this stock being worth $100, hands down. And it has a very high dividend payout. Good. And then we got Allstate. It's an insurance company. We all know Allstate. They all take out money, unfortunately, for no reason. We never use it, but it's a solid dividend company. Had to keep it. And then we got Chevron, which is oil. I just feel like you just have to have oil in that portfolio, truthfully. But they have a very good dividend. So these are all the stocks that's in my portfolio. I said some of the ones that are new. If you haven't seen which ones are new, like I said, mainly it's going to be Apple, Protected Gamma, Coca-Cola, Target, American Express are some of the new stocks that I added to the portfolio, specifically for the growth and the dividends. But like I said, these are my main stocks. I don't think I'm going to add any more stocks anytime soon. Mainly right now, we're going to focus purely on just piling in and getting as many shares as possible. If you see my portfolio, seeing my portfolio is doing fairly good. And if you're interested in starting investing, check out the link in the description. In the description will be a link to M1 Finance. Use that link and you can sign up and get $50, $25 so you can start your portfolio So, and just by signing up, you immediately get a free $25 so you too can start investing. All right, so far as the dividend portfolio this time, I was able to allocate around $1,000 to the portfolio. A decent amount. I wish I could have added more, but Uncle Sam came a knocking. It was that time of year. But like I said, taxes are out the way, and I'm looking to fully dive in with my dividend investing. So I'm gonna definitely hit that subscribe button, because I think I'm gonna be able to start allocating much more money into the portfolio. We're gonna start growing fairly quick. If you ever wondered what it looked like for somebody who just try to pile in as much money as possible, live extremely frugal, to see and see that momentum growing, and just see how dividend investing can really change the game, subscribe. I don't want to boost myself up, but truthfully, I do wish people can see the sheer miracle of compound investing, dividend investing. It's like a snowball, and it's like it starts so small, and I know a lot of people struggle to do it, but like once you get it in the door, it's crazy. I'm producing over $300 a month with my portfolio already. Sound crazy, but I am. And it's only going to get more as time progresses. And I'm telling you guys, start investing now. There's no chance like the future. Right now is the best time, no matter how you look at it. Recession, no recession, start today. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.